Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're tired of scrolling aimlessly online and ready to turn that time into cash, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into 3 quick ways to make money online for beginners. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or a new full-time gig, these methods are easy to get started with, require minimal investment, and, best of all, are beginner-friendly. Way 1. Freelancing on Fiverr or Upwork. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to start earning online, and platforms like Fiverr or Upwork make it incredibly accessible for beginners. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know what skills you can offer. Think of things like graphic design, writing, video editing, or even basic data entry. Here's how to get started. First, choose a niche. Don't try to do everything. Focus on 1 or 2 services you feel confident in. For example, if you know your way around Canva, you could offer simple graphic design services like creating social media posts or thumbnails. If you're good at writing, offer blog posts or product descriptions. Next, create your profile. This is your online resume, so make it shine. Include a professional photo, write a clear and catchy description of your services, and add portfolio samples. Don't have samples yet? No worries. Create a few examples just for your profile. The trick to getting your first gig is pricing competitively. You can start by offering low prices to build up reviews, and once you have a solid reputation, you can gradually increase your rates. And remember, communication is key. Respond to inquiries quickly and deliver quality work to build long-term relationships with clients. Way 2. Selling digital products. The second method is selling digital products. The beauty of this approach is that you create something once and sell it repeatedly. This could be anything from eBooks and online courses to templates or printable planners. Start by identifying your audience. What problems can you help them solve? For instance, if you're into fitness, you could create a meal planning guide. If you're good at organizing, you could sell templates for to-do lists or budget planners. Share your products on social media, join niche groups on Facebook, or collaborate with influencers who can help spread the word. Way 3. Online tutoring or teaching. The third way is online tutoring or teaching. If you have expertise in any subject, whether it's math, English, coding, or even playing the guitar, you can turn that knowledge into cash by teaching others. Online teaching can be incredibly flexible. You set your schedule, choose how many hours you work, and decide how much you want to earn. The internet is filled with opportunities, and there's something out there for everyone.